welcome back to my channel. So today's a long awaited video, which is the kids room tour. So just continue to watch if you guys want to see the room tour, because I definitely stayed up last night till 6:30 cleaning it. So here's the entrance. This is the light, whatever, switch. So we're gonna start off here. So here I just basically hanged up his book bag that my mother-in-law got him from Mexico. And then, excuse me, and then I have all his toys this side. Reason being why I put this on this side, because let's say since this is all cluttered up and whenever the doors open, you cannot see this. All you see is just the rest of the room. So that's why. So yeah, he has these toys. These toys, I bought them for him for Christmas when he had already turned, I think, 1 year old for Christmas. I'm not even sure. Then he has his little track thing. And here I just have like, they were Mason's toys when he was a baby, but now they're going to be handed down to Layla. So these are her toys for now. And then all his balls, because he has so many balls. And he has 2 guns, a Nerf gun and then a Disney type of gun from Buzz Lightyear. I don't know how to say that shit. Buzz Lightyear. Okay, whatever. And then here he has his little truck, whatever, with his blocks. Then here he has this little play thing, which I think my mother-in-law or my sister-in-law bought him for Christmas. Then we recently just got him a nightlight just because we're trying to get him used to sleeping here, but he gets scared. So I decided to get him a nightlight, which I got at the dollar store for $1. Then this has been in the family for a while. I got this for him again. I forgot when though. I believe when he was he was 1. I got that at Baby Zero's when I was working there. And so basically I have all his toys here. So all of this is all his. And then these 2 bins here are Layla's toys. So like, you know, these toys, all these toys were Mason's at one point, but now they're going to be handed off to her. But yeah, so these are like baby toys for her. And then the rest are all Mason's. Ow. Then up here I have these cute little elephants that my mother-in-law gave me. And I just decided to put it there. I feel like it looks cute. And then here is where I did like the whole thing of learning. So I have learning is fun. I have letter of the week. I have to change that. And then I have basically the markers here. Then I have all the alphabet. And then the numbers in Spanish and in English. And then I just recently, last night put this up. Because he made this last night. So I put that up. So basically here's basically going to be his learning, like, you know, fun activity area where all his toys are and all his letters, you know, learning. And basically this whole wall is going to be filled up with like his paintings and stuff. So I thought that was really cute, a little corner for just him, you know, to have fun and whatever. And we're going to definitely be getting him like a cute little table with chairs. So whenever, you know, his cousins come over or whatever, friends, you know, they can just sit down and color and stuff like that. So yeah, so this is the corner here. Here, have basically the stroller. This was Mason's stroller and car seat, but now it's handed down to Layla because it's neutral, it's gray, so perfect. But we have it here just because I always go out, so we just have to like to have it out. But here's the closet. This is where I keep their towels. So this is Mason's and this is Layla's. Opening it, I did clean it up a bunch than it was before. So here's just basically the diaper bag. The diaper bag is here. So all these bins are all full of Layla's and Mason's clothes. That's for my friend because I'm giving clothes away. That is more toys, and stuff that basically I just didn't want out. What else I have here? I use this for Layla when I shower her in the sink. These are like extra bags that I have. This side is all Layla. This side is all Mason's. And like I said, I got rid of a lot of clothes, and they're in the bin. So yeah. And then up here is just random stuff. Like all this stuff is baby stuff. Like this, all Mason's and Layla's. Then we have Mason's chair, but now it's Layla's and stuff like that. And that's just random stuff. But yeah, so it looks way better than it did before. So I'm pretty happy. So I'm gonna give you guys an overview. To this side, we have dresser, and you guys can already imagine whose dresser is this. So this was originally Mason's, but I decided to take everything out that was in the other dresser and put in this dresser. So now this is Layla's. Reason being is because Layla has so much clothes, and Mason, his clothes are more bigger and stuff like that, and these are more deep, so they fit more clothes in there. So yeah, so this is Layla's. So what I have on the dresser is basically this bin that my best friend Jasenia got me. So thank you, girl. And then basically I have wipes, her diapers. Damn, it's a lot of diapers. But yeah, her diapers, her brush, her booger sucker. These are for when we go to parties, you know, for her ears. And then I have like this mineral oil because she had like a lot of like dry, her scalp is very dry, so the doctor recommended me that, so I have that in case. Then here I have this cute little crepe basket which my husband aunt gave me, and it's so cute. It's all white. And then I just put here Van Squeech, I don't know how you say her name. And then this cute little toy here. This is Layla's first ever stuffed animal or whatever you want to call it. Then I have her lotion and her her earring thing, cleaning thing, whatever. Then up here I just laid out these both here are Mason's, but I decided to put it here because it looks cute and neutral. So I got I put this one and this one, and this is Layla's, which I received from the hospital. I forgot who gave me that though. I don't remember. Damn, my voice. Then I have this cute little vase, and I have these which have have lasted me since the day I gave birth. Literally, they have not like deflated, nothing. So I just like to keep those. I don't remember who gave me which balloon, but whoever did, thank you. And they're still freaking good. Like you can tell, which so cute. And then up here I have my baby's photo, which that frame my mother-in-law got me way before Layla was born. And then here's a sonogram of my princess. And yeah, and then so how I laid out her clothes is like this. So her shoes here, well, only one pair of shoes. Her socks on one side, bibs, towels for when I bathe her. All her bows, shoes, and those panties that go under her not pantyhose, her stockings, or how do I say those? And then all her hats. Here I have all her shirts, you know, undershirts, her pajamas, her, you know, it's just random, like her clothes basically. And the bottom, I have more clothes as well. And then here are all her shoes that she will be. Yeah, so she's gonna be wearing these shoes pretty soon. These are all Mason shoes that he wore. I feel like they're all neutral, so she can wear them. These were Mason's first ever pair that we got him. Never wore them because his fat ass did not fit. Layla, on the other hand, she has small ass feet, so I'm pretty sure she's gonna wear these. So yeah, so she has a bunch of shoes. The only new shoes that she has are these that my mom got her. But these are too big for her. So yeah, so shoes are there. Here are just blankets and towels and more blankets. So that's all for Layla. And then here we have her, we have her dirty laundry, whatever. Again, his aunt gave us that one. So yeah. Then here we've had that for Mason. So that's Mason's hamper. And then this side is Mason's. Okay, so on here, let me turn it on. So on here, I just have a photo of him. And then also this one, which, this frame, actually, we got it from his aunt, his Aunt Rosa from New York, which is so cute. And then right here, just basically his training diapers, more wipes, nail clipper, and just lotion and stuff like that. And then this was from his baby shower, and this is where we keep like coins and stuff. Like whenever we have spare change, we dump it in there. Okay, so first we have his socks, hat, and then his belt, and you know, fancier stuff. I need to wash his boxers and underwears, so that's why it looks so empty here, because I usually keep his boxers in the same area. This area is basically all his shirts. So all of these are 3T and these are 2T. So the 2T, I just put them on him to go to sleep. Sweaters and pants. And here are his shoes. These are all the ones he wears, except for those two. They're too big still, so yeah. Here is where I have all his blankets, towels, bed sheets, and stuff like that. So, and last, this is his, my drawing. This is his area. So he has all his books, his puzzle, tape, basically arts and crafts stuff we have here. Now we're going to be coloring a lot more. He has his box with his crayons, markers, and more stuff here. So yeah, that's it for that. And again, the overview, so you guys can see, and then his photo right there when he was 1. Then on this wall, I have his little step stool, whatever. Not step stool, is that how you call it? Yeah, it is step stool. And then here I have, this is what I made. This is, you know, his hands and his feet. I made this, like, I don't remember when. When did I make this? Oh, there you go. September 21st, 2017. So, yeah. I made this. I went and bought the frame thing, whatever. And then I bought the little stamp thing. And then I just decorated it. Here is a picture of him and his father. This is a gift from me to my husband for Father's Day. But I decided to put in here because I feel like it went well. Then this is my princess, Athena, Layla. And then here is the curtain, the window. So originally I had white curtains, but I switched the white curtains to the living room, so that is why we have this. Even though we do have pink, whatever, I feel like it ties in well, you know. And then here we have all his stuffed animals, because girl, he has a lot. And then this is not going to stay here. That's donation. This is going to the garage at my grandma's house. And this is Fashion Nova stuff, which I'm selling because I bought the wrong size. And then here is his bed. which was his crib, but it turns into a bed, and then it turns to a full bed. So it's perfect because this will follow Mason for the rest of his life. So, yeah. Oh, my throat. So this is his bed. We have his what the fuck? His glowing nightlight. And we got this for the baby shower, one for Mason. And then we have his Nautica bed sheets and his cover, pillow, and all of his stuffed animals. More stuffed animals, guys, because he has a bunch. So he has all the Looney Tune characters there. The baby Jack, Winnie the Pooh, his dinosaur that his grandma bought him. The state troop or whatever. Pua from Moana, and then again Star Wars, and then Minions. And these 2 pillows were given to him when he was a baby, so that's his there. And yeah, so this is very self-explanatory. It's just his bed. And I want to put something up there, but then again, I don't know. But yeah, so this is basically the room tour, guys. The long-awaited room tour. So yeah, so I literally stayed up till 6:30 in the morning. Just basically reorganizing and donating whatever's going to be donated. Everything that's going garbage and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm pretty happy how it turned out. I love it. So yeah, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. Again, I know it looks shit, but I don't care. I wanted to get this footage up for you guys because I know it's been long awaited. And now that it's clean, I want to go ahead and film it because in a second, my son's gonna about to come in here and start destroying his toys and stuff like that. So, yeah. So this is my baby's room tour. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye.